Going to change the engine air filter on 2007 Cadillac DTS. I will be taking the two screws right on the right hand side of the red ruler to lift the compartment up to change the filter. After the two screws are removed, you can see the filter is easy to get to. Always put the date on the filter when you change it so that you'll have a record. Use a magic marker. The tab here goes to the side of the fender of the car. The new filter is in place. Now it's just a matter of seating the bottom of the cover and then tightening the two screws and you'll be done. Make sure the back of the cover is seated properly to make a good seal. Installation is complete at a savings of about 1/3 as to having it done for you just by the filter at a local auto supply store.